Hi everybody, and welcome back to Planning with a Purpose. This week we are planning for December 14th through the 20th in the Happy Planner Vertical, and I will be using the winter book again for my planning. I did plan it out, so this week I have decided that we are going to be using the sloths. But before we put those down, the stickers down, let me go ahead and put down this washi. Now this washi, it's a burgundy with polka dots, and I got this washi, I believe, from Joann Fabrics or Joann's. And I want to say I probably bought it at the beginning of COVID. It was in one of those multi-packs. Oh. I think when the lines are thin like this, it's probably best to maybe buy the pen. So I'll have to pick one of those up. Or thinner correction tape. All right. Let's do that. I hope everybody's doing well. Are you getting ready for the holiday? I drove by the mall the other day, and honestly, it was dead. There was hardly anybody there. I have not been in a mall probably for a year at least. If I do need to go to the mall, I just run into the stores that have the outside entrances, and I go in to that store specifically, and then I run back out. Okay, so we have our washi down, and this is what it looks like up close. It's so cute. Let me show you. It came in this pack. So it's a really cute pack to have. Alrighty. And I've placed all of my stickers on this wax paper. So we will start with the 11th day till Christmas, which, if I counted right, will be the 14th. All right. That's going to go down here. We have a friendly, cute little sloth who's hanging on a Christmas tree branch with the Christmas balls. He's just so darn cute. And then we have the 10th day of Christmas. Right here. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of peppermint right next to that. And then for day 9, we've got our little sloth hiding in a stocking. Aren't they cute? Ninth day, I believe, goes right here. Oh, that one's a little crooked. Let's see if I can pull that up. So I don't go to Starbucks that often. However, I did hear that Starbucks has a drink called the chestnut. I think it's a chestnut praline. And I was curious to see it. My son was out this afternoon, so he offered to pick it up for me. And I'll tell you, it does, if you like chestnuts, it does taste like chestnuts. Here's day 8. Oop. Oops. We've got our little sloth standing on some presents. He's also just as cute as can be. And we have 7 days till Christmas right here. Oops. With another little candy cane decoration. Let's put that right there. Okay, 6 days. Till Christmas. We have this other cute little sloth who was also hanging on a branch with the Christmas lights hanging down too. Oh, I think I need to move him up a little bit. Yeah, he goes up just a little bit. Okay. And then I found the word Mary. Wanted to put that right here. Oh, that's looking cute. And then we have 5 days till Christmas. So if you want to do some activities with your kids, I found some activities online that I thought were so cute. One was a scavenger hunt for Christmas decorations, lit decorations. So it's a great way to get your family out and looking at Christmas lights if you love to do that. And then also you can make it into a game. So that was one of the things that I saw. Then if you go online and you do word search puzzles or word search creator, you can type in a bunch of words and then create your own word search puzzles. And then also there is, kids with the emojis and stuff, everybody writes with emojis. If you search emoji Christmas song, let me see how I think it's emoji Christmas song list. Then you can print off these printables that have the emojis, but they're supposed to be Christmas songs. And so they would have to try to figure out from the emojis the Christmas songs. And then, of course, I always do 12 Days of Christmas for my sons. And normally what I would do is I would just hand them the gift every day. And it's nothing, the gifts are not anything really expensive. It's stuff that you could pick up at the Dollar Tree or you could pick them up at the drugstore. And but this year I found a scavenger hunt. So I'm making them go on a scavenger hunt to find their 12 Days of Christmas gifts. So that should be a lot of fun. They have to figure out, it's a riddle, and they have to figure out where the prize would be, and they go to that. Okay, so I did pull these from actually the Squad Goals book, and I was going to put them as like a washi, but hold on a minute. I think maybe if I put it right underneath the washi, that would be really cute there. I have 3 of them with these colors. And then maybe right here. Kind of decorates the page. And the third one, let's see where we could put the third one. Why don't we put that right up here? And then I have this little candy cane that has the same burgundy colors. And let me see where we can put the candy cane. Next to notes, maybe? Yeah, why don't we put it right here next to notes? Okay, so that is my spread. And let me just go ahead and put it in the book. I thought it turned out really cute. I definitely wanted to use these sloths, so. And then here's my corgis with my, after the pen. See, I didn't have much that I needed to write in there, but oh, I still love this spread. If you haven't checked it out, please do so. Okay, and then here we go. There you go. So this is the spread with the sloths, and I hope you guys like it. Have a great week. Bye-bye.